To troubleshoot a USB connection problem, check the following 3 potential issues. First, check if the PC's connection port is USB 3.0 or above. Second, check whether the cable is securely plugged into the PC and scanner ports. Third, check if the screws on either side of the Type-C port of the scanner are tightened to prevent a loose connection from causing disconnection. If troubleshooting scanner's Wi-Fi connection issues, check the scanner's power supply, Wi-Fi recognition, and multi-device connection. First, ensure that the power supply functions correctly. Check the label on the back of the scanner to see its power requirements, and ensure that the power supply it connects to meets these requirements. We suggest using one of our official power banks to guarantee a stable power supply. Second, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and check if the scanner's Wi-Fi is detected. The scanner's Wi-Fi name is the first 8 digits of the serial number on the silver label on the back of the scanner. Double-check before connecting. Third, check if multiple devices are connected to the scanner's Wi-Fi and running the software simultaneously, as this can cause connection issues. If the connection problem is still not solved after the above troubleshooting, you can contact our customer service for a one-on-one consultation.